Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Laugh at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you all. So first off, let's begin with some new finds at the Dollar Tree. They have this tray that now comes in gray. I think before they come in brighter colors like the teal, and I think I've seen it also before in the regular green color and red, but they now carry this in gray. And I purchased two of these containers as well, and these were the only ones left. And I like gray. When I am picking out color for an organizer or basket, I try to keep it white so that it looks clean and it goes with everything. I think gray would work well also with a lot of scenarios or color scheme that you can blend it with. Can put the handle this way, fold it in, and then you can stack them up. I just want to use this as a stackable organizer. I'm not sure yet if it's going to be in my craft room or in our bathroom. But also this, they look like they're galvanized can, right? But of course it's plastic, and it's designed to look like a bucket and with handles. So it's not really the sturdiest, to be honest, and you have to be really careful to carry anything heavy in it. But for example, if you're having a backyard party, this is an idea for you. If you want to use this to put different types of drinks, like put some ice in here and then put some drinks, and that's where you can just line up 4 of this and put the drinks. Okay, so this comes in different colors like red, dark blue or navy blue, and I believe, I haven't seen white, but I think it comes in teal as well. So these are the summer colors that they're bringing out. I believe there were also fuchsia or pink color. So whatever color you want to go with. Okay, so those buckets are amazing, and they also carry this at the Dollar Tree, 2 in a pack, and I think I purchased this 3 in a pack in white, I think a few weeks ago, probably in my most recent Dollar Tree. The previous one I can't remember anymore, but I did haul the white one, but they came in 3, but this one only came in 2. But I couldn't find the ones that are a set of 3, so I just figured, okay, just to match it, and I'll probably be able to combine this in my decor. When this one didn't come in gray, or if it did, probably sold out, and I saw it in red as well as navy blue, and since I like the teal color, I took the teal color. Don't have to put anything heavy. This would be a great organizer container for your home. I also purchased this one, and I have another project, an upgrade of another project that I created, so watch out for that. And this comes in different shapes. Actually, this comes also in a rectangular shape, so I like the fact that it comes in this large round one. I think this is almost like 16-inch, or if not 14-inch round. More containers here. Sometimes they sell these for $1. So, and I think one time they did sell this at 5 for $1. I always grab the white ones whenever I see them, and I use this a lot to organize things, and it's perfect. I even use this as a ribbon dispenser. You can use this for anything, for utensils in your kitchen, for makeups or pens, anything around the house. So they're very good drawer organizers too. So yeah, grab them while you can, but always check whatever they're offering, because sometimes they don't pull out from their shelves the least number. But if you find anything like 4 or 5, get them. But if you can't, just grab the 3 one. That's still a great deal for $1. I got this. This comes also in blue or navy blue, and I believe gray. Yeah, it comes in gray also, where there's a gray top. But I purchased this because, especially it's summer, I like the fact that it has a place for some snacks. And then this one is a juice tumbler or drink tumbler. Okay, so yeah. And this says here 33 fluid ounces or 976 ml, includes snack container, which is on top. So be careful because sometimes they're separated and you think that you're buying a whole set already, but be careful. Always look for this one on top, because like this one didn't have this, so I had to get it or grab it. Yeah, it has to be stuck there. So it's the same. So this one's for my husband and this one's for me. Okay, so it's warmer weather, so just grab your small fan. This is battery operated. I hold this once before, so I need another one in another location, so I'm gonna put this next to me at my desk. I do have a desk fan, but I probably would use this and carry this with me. Actually, I found this one for my future project, and I was hoping I could get or find two, but this is the last one, and as you can see, there's some scuff marks. And to be honest, if there were more, I would have chosen the ones with the least scuff mark. You know, this was in the party aisle and you know, the wedding section or the catering aisle, and they have this kind of finishes. They even have them in trays in different shapes, like round and oblong or rectangular ones. But I think this one is supposed to be as an ice bucket, right? It does seem like it. And there are two handles there. This one came in 3 different styles, and I apologize if I didn't take photos of the other 2 styles. And I chose 6 of this for an upcoming project. Not quite sure yet what I'm gonna do, but I have an idea and hopefully I can pull it off. This one says sea, air, relax, beach, swim, coastal, seaside. So, and then there's a starfish here. Like the color a lot too. The same aisle, I got this bikini top. One size fits most, but I'm gonna not use this as a bikini top, mind you. But I have a DIY on this one that I have an inkling it's gonna work, and this is something to do with a game or a toy that I grew up playing in the Philippines, and I hope that I can pull off and recreate that using this. I'm not quite sure if I had enough because it comes, you know, it's a bikini top, so that's why there are 2 shells, 2 coconut shells in a pack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I only need 6 coconut shells. If not, I'm gonna go back for more, and I'll share you the DIY. I purchased this microfiber kitchen towels. I use them a lot in our kitchen. Similar style but different colors. I'm gonna be creating something that's reversible. So I know it has been done several times here on YouTube where they create a pillowcase or a decorative pillow using this. So I have a lot of old pillows and they still have great stuffing underneath. I just need to flop them up. So I'm gonna try to create one. I don't know how many I can create out of this. Probably if I want to make them small, I can create probably 2. I also purchased this grip liner in white. I often see them in ivory or cream color and also tan or brown, but this is the first time I've seen them in white, and I have some projects that I have in mind, and hopefully I can pull it off using these materials, and as well as even the ivory and the tan that I already have. The rose petals, this come in 300 pieces. These are rose petals, and I also purchased this before in the color blush or pink, and I really like it a lot. So I'm just gonna use this for another project. I purchased some candles. This comes in different scents, so I just chose the vanilla one. I often don't really like vanilla because it's too sweet and makes me nauseous. So I hope this one is not too strong because I kind of think that it's not gonna be too strong. So I purchased this one. And then along with them, I purchased this as well. This also comes in different scents, but I purchased this one that has the coconut and I think that's pomegranate, and then some hibiscus and oranges. So I'm thinking this one is passion fruit. I'm sorry, passion fruit, not pomegranate. So this is passion fruit, coconut, and tropical island. So the scent on this one is a little bit more tropical. And this one has the lilac and peony, so it's like an English garden scent. I purchased 3 books. My daughter says she wants to read this, so this is hers. And of course, if she doesn't like it, I will always find something to do with this. And I purchased these two books here. I'm not really interested in reading the story because I don't really have time. But this is a great value for $1, and I was choosing them for their pages. Actually, I know some ladies here on I know some ladies here on YouTube use them to decorate their farmhouse style, and they choose them by checking out the color of the books, and that's really clever. And some of them even embellish them with craft paper to cover them, or some of them even put twines, which is really so romantic. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use them for another project, and you just better watch out. So that's it. I do want to thank everyone for joining me here in my channel and for always being there, being supportive. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Click the subscribe icon, and next to it there is a bell, and if you click on that, you will be notified by YouTube whenever I upload a new content. Also, if you want to leave a comment, leave some comments down below. I love reading them, and I try to make time to respond to them. Oftentimes I am timely with them, but there's sometimes that I get a little backlog because I do have a day job. I do have a lot of playlists. I do quite a bit of a lot of things. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I'll talk to you again on my next video. God bless. Bye-bye.